Choosing the right hair dryer can transform your beauty routine, giving you professional results in the comfort of your own home. With technology advancing every day, why not invest in the best hairdryers on the market? They not only dry your hair faster but also help maintain the health and shine of your locks. Today, I've selected the 5 best hair dryers of 2024 for you to choose from. And to make your life easier, I've left links with the lowest prices for all the models mentioned in the description. Let's get started. Let's start with our 5th place, the T3 AireLuxe Digital Ionic Professional Hair Dryer. This device isn't just a hair dryer. It's a professional-grade tool that transforms your hair drying experience. Equipped with a custom-engineered fan and advanced heat management system, it dries hair up to twice as fast as traditional models while retaining up to 60% more natural moisture. This impressive performance is largely due to its innovative T3 Rapid Air IQ technology. This feature delivers a wide, ion-rich airflow that not only cuts drying time in half but also enhances hair's natural luster and minimizes frizz. Furthermore, the T3 AireLuxe offers an impressive range of customization with 15 different heat and speed combinations, accommodating all hair types and styling needs. Whether you have fine, straight hair or thick, curly locks, this dryer allows for a personalized and healthy drying experience. It also features a lightweight, elegant design that is as stylish as it is functional. Each unit includes a luxurious brush set, making it perfect for those who value both efficiency and the health of their hair. The T3 AireLuxe represents a perfect blend of technology, style, and utility, making it a top choice for professional and home use alike. This item is available at a more affordable price by clicking the link in the description, allowing you to save and pay less. It has received an average rating of 4.3 stars and has an approval rate of 83% among buyers. Note: prices for the products mentioned in this video may change at any time. So, to ensure the lowest price, add the chosen product to your shopping cart now and keep the discount. In 4th place, let's explore the Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. Renowned for revolutionizing hair care, this dryer epitomizes cutting-edge technology with a focus on speed, precision, and hair health. Dyson's commitment to innovation is evident in every aspect of this product. It is engineered for rapid drying and meticulous styling, all while shielding hair from extreme heat damage. The Dyson Supersonic features a suite of 5 magnetic attachments that easily snap on and off, tailored to various hair types and styling needs. These attachments simplify the drying process, making it more efficient and adaptable to personal preferences. Its standout feature is the intelligent heat control system that actively measures air temperature 20 times per second, ensuring optimal heat distribution to preserve hair's natural shine and vitality. This motor is not only powerful but also significantly quieter than traditional hair dryers, enhancing the user experience. Ideal for those who aim for salon-quality results in the comfort of their own home, the Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer offers a combination of high performance, versatility, and innovative design that sets a new standard in hair care technology. Click on the link in the description to buy this product at a lower price than usual. It is highly recommended with a rating of 4.4 stars and 82% buyer satisfaction. If you are enjoying our tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to continue receiving quality content and amazing tips. Our 3rd ranked hair dryer is the InfinitiPro by Conair. This model elevates the styling experience, offering users the ability to dramatically reduce frizz while enhancing volume. What sets this dryer apart is its use of advanced plasma technology, which utilizes both positive and negative ions to not only dry the hair quickly but also leave it feeling hydrated and conditioned. The InfinitiPro features a professional long-life motor that ensures reliability and endurance, complemented by ceramic technology that provides uniform heat distribution. This thoughtful design helps protect hair from thermal damage during styling. It is equipped with 3 heat settings and 2 speed settings, giving users complete control over their drying and styling process. Additionally, it includes a cool shot button that helps lock in hairstyles, ensuring your look holds throughout the day. This item can be yours for less by using the link in the description. With a rating of 4.5 stars and 89% approval, it is clearly a customer favorite. In 2nd place, we feature the Sam Villa Lightweight Quiet Ionic Hair Dryer. Renowned for combining power with whisper-quiet operation, This dryer leverages Evolution turbo compressor technology to deliver strong airflow with significantly reduced noise. Its ceramic, tourmaline ion generator is designed to combat frizz, boost shine, and preserve the hair's natural moisture throughout the drying process. The dryer offers versatility with 2 speed settings and 3 heat settings, complemented by a cool shop button to finalize and set styles. Designed for ease of use, its lightweight, ergonomic structure minimizes hand fatigue, making it ideal for both quick morning routines and professional, prolonged use. This hair dryer is a top choice for those who prioritize effective performance without sacrificing comfort and quiet operation. This product is now within your reach at a reduced price through the link in the description. With a rating of 4.6 stars and 89% approval, it is definitely an approved purchase by consumers. And in first place, the best hair dryer of 2024 is the AireLuxe Pro Nano Titanium. This dryer epitomizes the perfect blend of power and advanced technology, resulting in superior styling results. Equipped with 2,000 watts of power, it facilitates faster drying times and significantly reduces frizz. Its lightweight ergonomic design ensures minimal hand fatigue, enhancing user comfort during styling sessions. The standout feature of this model is its nano-titanium Ionic technology, which provides even heat distribution, promoting shiny and healthy-looking hair. This technology is especially beneficial for all hair types, including those with thick and coarse textures. Additionally, the AireLuxe Pro incorporates an integrated ion generator that further combats frizz and enhances hair softness. Didn't find the perfect product for you among the options presented? Don't worry. Click the link in the description to access a page with a selection of the best products on the market. There, you can find exactly what you need, with various options to meet all your needs. Take advantage and choose what best fits for you. Remember that the prices of the products mentioned may change over time. However, the links in the description are always updated to ensure the best deal and a safe purchase. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Remember that to ensure the prices of the products, it's important to add them to your cart today.